So dirty.
Yeah. This is where I brought Boy, and I came out over there. I went in the mud. Bringing out this big old mud truck.
Oh yeah, right here. My favorite riding spot on the dirt bike. Right around here?
Yeah, I like not this spot. On the other side, there's a really nice, like, oh, watch it, sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
I didn't realize they were that low. I said something. Over here, it's like a canopy. Really, really nice. We came for New Year's though. We came out here and went camping.
Yeah, this is a nice place. All these years I've lived here, I've heard about it here, but I've never been here.
Yeah, whenever I first moved here, I heard so much about it. Like everybody was like, oh, you know, we go out and we party off Yorkshire, blah, blah, blah. I just thought it was like a little area where they went out and partied, because I have been out to this other area out off the Hornbuckle. And I don't know, there's a little bit of trails there and stuff, but it ain't nothing like this. And I had bought a little four-wheeler, like that blue, like the blue one I've got. I had another one like that. And I actually came out here and I was just like, wow. I mean, I didn't have any idea how to get around or anything. But now I've been coming out here for almost 10 years, so.
Yeah, now you know.
Oh man, I know every little trail and how to get anywhere. But it's literally like 10 square miles. Like it goes 10 miles that way, 10 miles the other way.
Oh, that's great.
It goes for another 3 miles or so to the right. And then it goes for another like 5 or 6 miles to the left. And then it goes way back too. But yeah, this spot right here is like my favorite spot on the bike. Scary, but it's so much fun. And plus, I got one of the biggest dirt bikes, so.
How many cc on that one?
400.
Yeah, that's pretty
It's a YZF 400. It's a 4-stroke too, so. Just all power. It doesn't matter. That's why I bought it, because I've got a YZ 250, but I broke it. I rode it too hard.
Oh.
So I went ahead and I bought a 400. I got that thing for the same price I paid for my 250, and that's like way better. This is the spot though. This is like all canopy. See? All right, you just gotta kind of watch for little twigs and stuff. See how much cooler it is?
Yeah, it's really
It's like a 10-degree difference.
Yeah. works the bumps amazingly well.
Yeah, it does. As long as you ain't going real fast, it'll take them really nice. If you're going quick though, the back end, since the back end's so light,
It'll pop.
yeah, it wants to jump up because it's not designed really for that.
Yeah. Empty.
That's what I mean, you know, like, it's crazy because there's so many places that charge you money to go camping,
Yeah.
to ride these things, you know, and everything like that. Out at the Redneck Yacht Club, I can't take my dirt bike, and it cost me $30.
To get in there.
Yeah, and it's like, okay, so you want me to pay $30, and it's not even for the weekend, it's per day. So if you want to stay for the whole weekend, you gotta pay $60. Then you gotta register each vehicle that you take in there. That's like, I don't know, it's just a money pit to me. This is free. I pay for the gas in these things. And
Yeah, that's it.
I'll show you the lake real quick and then we'll go back that way. Let his dirt settle down before we go that way.